What's up, YouTube? Mr. DaVinci here. As you seen from the title of this video, I made an eBay mistake that not only temporarily suspended my eBay store, but it also has affected my bank account. Now, I'm not near my computer, and I was actually thinking of changing up the format how I make my videos, so let's just get straight into it. So what I did over last month, which was November, which was Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, I was so profitable on eBay. I had $10,000 in revenue. I'm trying to make that pop up on the screen. And in net profit, I kept around $6,203, somewhere along that. So give or take, after all expenses were covered, $6,200 some dollars went in my pocket. Now, the mistake that I ended up making was I was scaling too fast on my eBay store, which led to my account getting suspended. And what I mean by scaling too fast is to make that 10 grand. Ironically, it only took 10 products. It was just, they was in such high demand, and Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend was at a high peak that everyone was buying. And trust me, it felt good. I really felt like I would never go back to work at my job ever again. My bills would be paid for. Everything was good. So what ended up happening was I noticed most of my customers, they were international buyers, meaning that they lived in Puerto Rico, Canada, Australia, so on and so on. So what I did, using my suppliers as Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, so on and so on, and when I went to place the orders, you're actually supposed to send the orders to eBay, some location in Kentucky. If you know the exact location, please leave that down below in the comment section to help everyone else avoid this mistake I made. So me not knowing what I know now, I tried to send it to the customers directly, which led to longer shipping times, which I got my shipping times I got my handling time at 2 to 3 days, because it takes 2 to 3 days for me to process, get my credit card, buy off Walmart, Amazon, so on and so on. But my shipping time is around 7 to 10 days. And what ended up happening was, once I did that, eBay noticed that, hold on, y'all, this UPS truck just pulled up beside me. Like I was saying, I ended up sending the orders off to my customers, and the shipping time was way too long. It was like 20, maybe 25 days as of now. So that was on November 16th. Today is December 11th as of the recording of this video. So give or take, that's about 20, 25 days. eBay noticed that, and all of my customers just started doing chargebacks, one after another, refund processing. And so I just left the bank account, and I just left the bank account. I just left the bank, and I had a conversation with the branch manager, and they said when you refund orders on eBay now, it doesn't directly come out of your PayPal. It is optional that it can come out of your PayPal, but now they're going directly to your bank statement. Apparently, they changed that this year. I'll update you guys with more information as I get more informed about how this is possible. And they just flooded my bank account with chargebacks. I'm looking at 1,500, somewhere around there. Anyway, it's not a lot of money considering that I made $6,200 in profit, you would think, right? However, PayPal put me in PayPal jail, meaning that they held the money because they're suspicious of how I made so much sufficient funds at such a fast pace, and they was concerned about my business. So now I'm working with PayPal to get that money released. So it's going to be interesting how this pays out. I got to the end of the year to get this paid off with my bank account, or my bank account that I had since adolescence will be closed down permanently, with a slight chance of me getting it reinstated, which I found rather interesting. So, and going back to the eBay orders when I refunded them. So once I noticed the chargebacks were coming in at a rapid rate, I went to eBay to personally refund the orders myself, because I got no money in PayPal. I said, why not? Now keep in mind, this was before I knew that eBay refunds went direct to your bank account, and where you can still refund them directly from PayPal. So what I did, I went inside eBay, and I went ahead and refunded the buyers. I said there was a problem with the buyer's address, my item was out of stock, forget the third option. But anyway, I went ahead and did that, and that led to me having about 75 cases of eBay buyers just refunding and chargeback. So moral of the story is, when you sell on eBay and you have international buyers who buy from your store, make sure that you find the eBay address of what you're supposed to send it to. I believe it's in Kentucky. If you do know, if you're an eBay dropshipper or eBay retail arbitrage and you know where you're supposed to send it to, please, please, please help everyone out. Leave it down below in the comment section. And the second takeaway is, if you cannot fulfill the orders, it's best if you just tell them, like, I say 2-3 days during the processing time, you confirm with the customer whether or not you can actually send off the order. That way you can mitigate this whole process from being in the position where I'm at. Now, I have no doubt in my mind that I won't make the money. As you know, I am a dropshipper. I sell on eBay, looking to get started selling on Amazon next month, and I sell on Shopify as well. So I know that it's only going to take me X amount of Shopify sales for me to keep my account in good standing, which I'm not tripping. I'm not sweating it at all. Being that I've done this for 4 or 5 years going in drop shipping, I feel very comfortable at where I'm at. And I know this is something that I can achieve, because eBay drop shipping is, let me say this, the difference between eBay drop shipping and Shopify drop shipping all comes down to traffic. Now, eBay, the people who buy on eBay, they're already in buyer's mood. They trust the platform. They know what eBay is about. They're going to buy regardless of what you list up. Let me rephrase that. Depending on the right listing that you list up on eBay, you're more than likely to receive a sale faster than you would on Shopify. Whereas Shopify dropshipping, you have to depend on other traffic sources, platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, Google, Bing, and you have to get those cold customers who have know nothing about you or your business to see your landing page, your product page, your collection page, and to trust that this company, based on the social proof of your advertisement and the customer reviews on your Shopify store, that they are willing to take a bet on your store, and that ultimately they will receive their order, they'll be happy, and you get to keep the money. So that was just a short story that I wanted to share with y'all of what to do and what not to do when scaling your eBay store. And I figured it'd be interesting if I documented, how I actually went about paying this off. So if you're interested in see how I actually get my bank account paid off, make sure that, one, you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, because that's due the last day of this year, which is December 31st, 2020. And secondly, smash that thumbs up button so that this video can get shown to all the eBay dropshippers so that they can be wary of the new changes. So make sure that you go into your eBay account, make sure that your bank account, actually I would call your bank account, and if just so you can avoid this whole scenario if possible. But yeah, that's going to be all for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. It means a lot to me. And you know, the YouTube money, hey, I'm not one to turn down money if it's something that I can sustainably continue to produce over and over. So thank you all for watching. Let me know how you like this type of video format. I figure it's about time that I stop being behind the screen on my laptop, mainly because if you watch my videos, my laptop's slow, but more so because I want to actually have more of a personality in my personal brand, so you guys get a better idea of who I am, what I am, and how I go about communicating. So thank you all so much for watching. This time I'm really gone. Appreciate you all. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. And again, lastly, if you know the address to send to eBay, I believe it's in Kentucky, I may be wrong, please post it down below so that other eBay dropshippers can avoid this scenario. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. Check out these other videos popping up on the screen. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm going, y'all. Catch you in the next video.